Hello class, I will be showing you how to guide through Canvas. The first thing you will see on the home page will be our syllabus. The syllabus has all information you need to be successful, as well as some important dates and links to certain services Cerritos College has to offer. The Announcements tab will have all the announcements that I make throughout the semester. The Assignments tab will have all the assignments you'll be completing with the modules. In this tab, you will see all the discussions being posted here. In the Grades tab, you will see your current grade and all the points you have accumulated throughout the semester. In the Peoples tab, you will see both your professor and your peers. This will allow you to message them through Canvas by clicking their name. In the Pages and Files tab, you will see many resources. Whatever I post on Canvas is accessible for you to use throughout the whole semester. The Syllabus tab has its own tab. You can be able to access this anytime throughout the semester. In the Outcomes tab, you will see the student learning outcomes for this course. In the Quizzes tab, you will see all the quizzes you will have to be completing for every module. In the Modules tab, we'll have all the modules that will be given to you throughout the whole semester. The conferences could be made through the Conference tab. Please click on the Conference tab whenever you need to make a conference. That is it for this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Good luck this semester and have fun.